Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be assembling the Razor Drift Rider. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 20 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools, which are included: 2 5mm Allen wrenches, a 13mm open-end wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. This assembly can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Attach the frame. Step 2. Attach the handlebar. Step 3. Attach the seat. And Step 4. Attach the flag. Before we get started, let's see what's in the box. The first item we have is the seat. Next, we have the left and right foot pads. Then comes the frame, the flag, the bag with the charger, the supplied tools, and the instruction manual, the handlebar, and finally, the rear frame. Let's get rid of this pesky box and get started on step 1, attaching the frame. Here we have the 2 halves of the frame, the rear half with the wheels and the front half which connects to the handlebars and the seat. Flip the front half over and remove the cap using 2 5mm Allen wrenches. Insert one on one side of the bolt and the other on the other side and loosen. With both bolts removed, you can slide the cap straight out and go ahead and throw it away. Now flip the frame back over, connect it to the rear half, line up the holes, insert the receiving end of the bolts into the holes, and then thread up the bolts from the bottom. With both bolts in, take your 2 5mm Allen wrenches and secure those bolts down. Once secure, that concludes step 1, attaching our frame. Now on to step 2, attaching the handlebars. To attach the handlebar to the frame, first we need to remove the bolt in the back. Take your 5mm Allen wrench and remove the bolt in the back of the handlebar. Once the bolt is out, connect the handlebars to the frame and slide that bolt right back in there. Push it down through the frame and then tighten the bolt down. With the bolt tight, that concludes step 2, attaching the handlebar. Now on to step 3, attaching the seat. Here we have the seat and the foot pads. They need to be assembled before attaching to the frame. Take your seat and flip it over, grab a foot pad, line up the tabs, and pinch them together. Do the same with the other side. Now take your Phillips screwdriver and the supplied screws and screw in the foot pads to the seat. Each foot pad has 4 screws. With all 8 screws secured, it's time to attach it to the frame. First, we have to remove the 4 Allen wrench bolts that secure the foot pads. Using your 5mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 on each side. With all 4 bolts removed, we can attach the seat. Look for the bolts on the bottom of the seat and slide them through the holes in the frame. And reinstall the 4 bolts that secure the foot pads. Now that the foot pads are secure, let's secure the seat. Take the remaining nuts and washers and secure them to the bolts on the bottom of the seat. And using your 13mm open-end wrench, tighten them down. With the seat secure, that concludes step 3, attaching the seat. Now on to step 4, attaching the flag. The purpose of the flag is to increase rider visibility. The flag comes in 2 pieces. Attach the top piece to the bottom piece through the plastic connector. They just slide together. Next, slide the flag into the frame. There's a slot in the back of the frame on the right-hand side of the product. Slide the flag into the slot. And that's it! That concludes step 4, attaching the flag. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. But if you're still having any troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com. Now get out there and have some fun!